Hello guys, it's Mickey. Welcome to my channel. And if you're just into my channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so as to be notified each time there's an upload coming from me. Today's Sunday. As you guys know now, Mickey Sunday routine. I try as much as possible to pull out questions asked all through the week, and I try to give you an honest reply. So in case you probably want to purchase my book, it's still out on sales. The number will be displayed on the screen. +234 818 541 7558. All right, so let's get down to today's business. All right, so we've got a question from Dixon Jessica. Mickey, I love you. How do I order for your book? I just gave how to order for the book. +234 818 541 7558. You can chat me up. In case I'm not picking my calls, you can send me a WhatsApp or you can send me a text. Ekwe Sunshine, very good, thank you. Lovechi, some how much please? How much for what? Health tips. Mickey, please, what lotion and face cream do you use? I need to be like you. I make my own creams, I make my own lotions. So in case you probably want it, I can actually make one for you. Joy Kwasi, please dear, I want to know, does Nature White have hydroquinone? Please answer me. You can actually read it in the box, read it in the on the label of the cream. Joy Philip, hello Mickey, please help me. I have a terrible sunburn on my face. You can actually chat me up. +234 818 541 7558. I love this lady, my dear. You are good. Thank you very much. Rukayat Abubakar, please, how much is this too? And hope it works for a hard skin. No. Must confess your complexion is a bit. Thank you. Which cream is that? You didn't identify any cream. Aisha Uba Idris, please, how can someone clear white dots? I can't do that. I can do that. All right, so you chat me up in order to clear your white dot. Funke Akinyemi Maria, glowing skin Mickey, thank you honey. Sherry Ann Thomas, what kind of preservative do you use? Optifem Plus, Jamal Plus, Phenonip. You can use any one of them. Gloria Malaki, I like you because you don't take nonsense and you always say the truth. May God bless you. Keep your hard work. Thank you very much. Oyinda Babayanju, can this be used on the face? Can what be used on the face? Should have actually indicated it. Rachel Adekunle, hello my beautiful lady. Hi. Toshe Lee, how many percent are those acids, especially the lactic and the 50%? Abbas Inkiruka, Monica, please, I will come for when you're trying to purchase a book or you're trying to buy things for me, you address me as my business name, which is Mickey. Most times when you call me Monica, it's like you're trying to be personal. It's my normal name my friends know me as. If you say, Monica, I want to buy, I know you are not buying anything. All right? Because you just want to get words from my mouth. A lady was calling me Monica and I corrected her. I said, no, if you want to patronize me, you call me Mickey. That's my business name. But you saying Monica, and even that phone number of mine, it's the business number, which is meant for Mickey. Only friends call me Monica. Right? I'm not saying you're not a friend, but if you're patronizing, it's easy for me to know that, oh, Ofe Raja. You understand what I mean? All right. Tabitha Oyaro. Hi there, I'm new here. Can I use shea butter as a base? You can. As a base of what? If it's lotion, no. If it's butter, yes. Brenda Nawa, your skin is glowing nice. Thank you very much. Sika Q's, you need distributor in Ghana? No, I don't. I'm this distributor of a thing. Maybe my own thinking, but what happened to someone I know? It's nothing to write home about. She has distributor in US. She has distributor so many countries. They bought the product from her. They put it on their shelf. The first stock they got from her. They finished selling. They kept stalling her. They kept telling her, we've not finished selling. Sales are slow, this, that. Not knowing they went to rebrand their own label, fixed it on product they mixed themselves, and were in turn selling it as her own product. People started complaining, this thing is not good on my skin. This, that, who is taking the blame? She was the one taking the blame, not knowing she didn't mix those creams. They went as our own cream had already been gone out of the shelf, but they kept telling her, we've not finished selling, sales are slow. She had to visit to find out that, and this is much than what you people even purchased for me. So, honey, I don't want a distributor in Ghana. If you probably want to get it directly from me, you can get it directly from me. That way they know they are getting it directly from the manufacturer herself. Empress T, steroid is greater for skin, but I've paid the price by losing my pregnancy. I need my cream color, but I just don't know how to maintain that without steroids. Steroid is greater for skin. I object. All right, because you see one thing about the skin of a thing, it differs. Some people I've mixed a steroid cream for a customer that darkened her. And I've mixed a cream that didn't even contain steroids, but contains 2% hydroquinone, and it brightened her. All right, so the skin differ. You can't say steroids is greater for skin. No, we have different skin type. And he said you paid the price by losing your pregnancy. Once you're pregnant, that's why you go for antenatal. Once you're pregnant, you visit your doctors, you go for so many checkups. They will tell you there are some things you don't take, there's some tablets you don't use, there are some creams you're not meant to use. And once you're pregnant, even skincare therapists themselves, once they are pregnant, what they do is they use natural products. Natural products, they only use oils as their moisturizer, because hope you know, oils will moisturize you. Oils will also serve as antioxidants for you. Natural oils, essential oils, and carrier oils, they do that. All right. And the reason why they use those oils is because they are trying not to have excess stretch mark below their pregnancy. So they tend to use the oils and cocoa butter and shea butter just to rid off stretch marks that might want to occur. All right, so now you are more informed. You need to be more informed. Don't use steroids on your body next time when you're pregnant. When Moses, how much is the book? I really love your face and your knuckles. Please, your number. The book is 10,000 naira. You chat me up for the book in case you probably want the book. Adedayo Kikelomo, hello, hi. Trap drip, lovely video. Thank you. I'm trying to make the video short so people don't complain it's too long. Rachel Adekunle, hi Mickey. I like you so much. You are very bored. I'm very bored. I think that's a typographical error. Do you know what I'm very bored is? Rachel Adekunle, hi Mickey. It's very difficult for me to do shopping on your website. I don't know what happened. I'm sorry about that. Don't worry. When the shop is ready, I'll give you the address. You can come and do the shopping in the shop. Barbara, oh no, but try again on the website. The website is easy to navigate. It's very, very easy to navigate. Barbara, no, can it be mixed with 7? Can what be mixed with? I should have indicated it. Richard Adekunle, I trust you, baby. Keep it up. Thank you. Trend House, made in Thailand, made in Philippines. All lies. Man, nobody said that cream was made in Thailand. You did not listen to the video. Try and watch it. Most of you don't listen. You don't listen. Try and watch the video. That cream itself is not a Thailand product. People were saying it's a Thailand product. I told them it is not a Thailand product. So I gave reason why it is not, who produced the cream. All right. So Jenny Best, good day, ma. How can you know the original pure carrot gold? And when you buy directly from the manufacturers, you know you're buying the original. And you buy from people who buy directly from the manufacturers. And it's easy for you to know because you easily know the middleman. All right, you can easily spot a middleman than even getting the manufacturer. Because if you're getting a manufacturer, you should be ready to spend the bulk of getting bulky goods. Precious Duro, please, is the sunflower oil and highlighter you added? Yes, that was. I didn't make it from the scratch. If I made it from the scratch, then we'll be adding makeup powder, we'll be making it from the scratch, and that's a long process if you want to do that. All right. Valerie Odunkoya, thanks, Mickey. You're welcome. Anishola, I want your book. All right, get it on number displayed on the screen, +234 818 541 7558. Mimi Udonfo, please make it talk about Diamond Glow Whitening Milk. Is it good on the skin? When some people walk up to me and tell me to talk about a particular product, or they tell me, oh, please recommend a product that they sell on the shelf, I can't recommend a product they sell on the shelf. There's a difference between recommendation and reviews. I come on YouTube, I give reviews. I am not the one coming up with reviews on my own. Reviews are, you would have gotten enough findings before you do a review. I tend to get and I don't get findings from one source. I get findings from different sources before I make that review. All right. So reviews are not that I use the cream. It's not possible for me to use all the creams. All right. I would have tried as much as possible to get enough information from different sources before I give a review of a product. And giving a review is not saying, because someone was like, and the cream you asked us to use. I didn't ask you to use any cream. It's a review. I didn't say, please use it. And hope you know there are some people that will tell you the cream did not even work. Because it did not work for your skin doesn't mean it doesn't work for others. That's not true. All right. I gave an example of my Bedon. I used that, took off my white dot, but rather added white dot for my friend. So you can see what I mean. These are over-the-counter products. All right, they are product meant for different skin type. They didn't generalize it when it's not a base cream. They didn't generalize it that it's for all skin. They put it out there. The reason why they did that, because they can't be customizing product for people. If they customize it, it will take too much time for production and it will cost them too much money. All right, so if you want a customized product, you can only meet us, we that mix creams, for customized products. Then we work with your problems, whatever problems you're having, and what to work with in order to produce whatever you want. All right, so now you saying I should tell you if Diamond Glow is good or not. I can't, but people have used Diamond Glow in the past and it's good. And I know of a lady that used Diamond Glow and her skin was damaged. Reason be that she did not maintain it well. Diamond Glow is very thick and it's expensive. It's in all those Pure Glow, Extreme Glow family members, Lemon Glow family members. Then you need the oil to liquidate that Diamond Glow. It's very thick. It's like relaxer. You need oils to liquidate it. And if you're getting a cream that goes for 27,000 to 30,000 naira upwards, then you should know how to maintain it. And that cream contains high dose of steroids. If you're using those kind of things, you should know that you need to moisturize your body. Moisturizing not meaning that it's the cream. You need an oil that's nourishing. Your carrier oils or your essential oils that will be nourishing. I would have said you should use a normal organic cream, but that will not serve you well than using carrier oils and essential oils. Carrier oils, essential oils will serve you better, because apart from the fact that the oils are nourishing, they serve as moisturizer. Apart from the fact that they serve as moisturizer, they serve as antioxidants as well. So they are doing so many works on the skin at the same time. So it's better. Now, if you don't know how to, if you don't know certain oils you want to use to make a natural oil, your essential, to make your Glow body oil, you can get my book. Yes, I'm following my book. You can get the book and find out how to make your glowing body oil. Believe you me, you will not regret it. All right. Now that Lagos is very hot, I use the glowing oil only during the daytime. I use my bleaching cream at night. It will not stop the cream from working, because even bleaching cream works better at night. All right. I use it only at night. Sometimes I don't even cream. If I come back from the shop, I'm tired because of the work that is still going on. I just sleep off. I take my bath, I go back to my room and I sleep off. I don't even bother creaming, because most times you don't have light. All right, so, and I've still not gone dark. Okay, so that is just all I'm going to tell you. Get oils. I'm not saying Diamond Glow is not good. It's good if you know how to maintain it. You can use it like for 5 days, then you stop. For 3 days, you use natural oils, natural creams if you want to stick to creams. All right, use it for 3 days, then you switch again. All right, that cream contains high chemical, so you need to know how to maintain it, how to switch. Okay, so we've got a question from Fatty John. Please, how much is this product? You can go on my website www.mickeyskincare.ng to find out the price on the website. Shelly Echo, Mickey dear, you are doing a good job. I've been using Palmer Skin Success and it contains 2% hydroquinone and bow oil. From what you just said, it means I need to give it a break with the sun, with the skin. Yes, you do, but not a long break. Like, you can use the Skin Success for 5 days if you want to use it for like during the day and night. And if you just want to use it only at night and you want to be using your natural oils, during the daytime, fine, you can stick to that. All right, but just know that weekends you can just stick to natural oils or natural creams. All right, then Nanak Bimbong, how much is your ebook? You can find it on my website. That means Stacy Adubi, I want to be like you when I grow up. Now, so you dey want me, Abi? Well done. Abayomi Oduayomide, I believe in you, Gani. You are really looking good, man. I really want to learn from you. Thank you very much. You have to chat me up. Priscilla Akpori, you look fresh. Don't mind that lady. Thank you. I'm stuck on this channel. Love you, Mickey. Thank you. Priscilla Akpori, Mickey, you are very correct about Pure Carrot Gold. And then your review about these creams. I followed you for a long time and got your ebook, took your advice, and now I'm glowing. Thank you very much. Epel Nkechi, happy new month, Mickey. Please, what can I use as a substitute to Sim White powder? If you're substituting zinc white powder, take for example, if zinc white powder is dissolved with water, example now, then the powder you're going to be substituting it with must also be able to be dissolved with water. If it's dissolved with oil, then the powder you will substitute it with must be dissolved with oil. All right, so we've got a question from Iwu Kelechi. How do I get your book? +234 818 541 7558. Linda Ogundare, please, can I use this whitening oil with Filipino injection cream? You can, but hope you know you should expect something. What is it you're expecting as a result? Vista, not sure these soaps are on your website. Yes, they are not yet, but they are in the shop, and the shop is not ready yet. I'm just piling some things together. All right, please don't be offended. You can order them directly from me. All right, Anya Kigbe, thanks for the book. God bless and increase you all round. Thank you very much. Amen. Uji Kalista, I want to get your WhatsApp number +234 818 541 7558. Monica saying, please, can you show how to identify original white now lotion and fake? I can't, because I mostly get them from the manufacturers. I say manufacturer, from the middleman. That's the wholesalers who get them directly from the manufacturer. Now, if you probably want to get the original and the fake, I don't know how you go about it, because I've not seen the fake yet. You know, I get it directly from people who buy from the manufacturers. If you're getting it directly from people who buy from the manufacturers, you won't have to be dealing with fake or original. You won't. All right. So I've not seen the fake yet. That's just all I'm saying. Bello Sharifat, how do I get your book? +234 818 541 7558. Nina T, good job. Thank you. Adebayo Kikelomo, nice video. Thank you. Camila, please, what can cream I use to remove dark knuckles? We tend to treat dark knuckles, in case you probably want it. Sylvia Ezono, you are just so intelligent. That's my first reason sticking to your channel. Thank you very much. Sylvia Ezono, Mickey Skincare, Mickey Skin Choy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. We're done for today. All right. So for someone that said she's not sure if I have a shop, I have a shop. All right. I'm just putting some things into order right now. What we just need is we need a lock for the glasses in the shop, just few glasses in the shop, and the couch in the office, and cashier chair. That's just all. And outside, the printers work for the billboard and all those things are just all we need. So you can see that the work is done. All right, we are almost done. So please be patient with me, I beg. You know, from the beginning, it's always very stressful. Please be patient with me. And I'll see you guys hopefully this week. And I love you guys like key, low, day. Bye, guys.